years ago lies a square named for a governor, Governor Maia Magalhães. Could you ever have foreseen 99 years ago you would have this here square? In 1925 you took the helm, Governor of Macau, he ruled the realm. Just for 1 year, a fleeting cheer, barely enough to drink a beer. 99 years have flown, for 1 year he made Macau his own. Governor Maia Magalhães, your name lives on in a square. Largo Maia Magalhães, echoes of your legacy linger there. Friends meet up to sit around, couples share a quiet bench where love is gently found. The cafes buzz with chatter, the clink of glasses near. In the square of stories, every voice is clear. In 1925 he took the helm, Governor of Macau, he ruled the realm. Just for 1 year, a fleeting cheer, barely enough to drink a beer. 99 years have flown, for 1 year he made Macau his own. Governor Maia Magalhães, your name lives on in a square. Largo Maia Magalhães, echoes of your legacy linger there. Governor's legacy in every stone and tree, a place of joy and gathering for all the world to see. As night embraces Taipa, the square begins to glow, a timeless piece of history where the past and present flow. In 1925 he took the helm, Governor of Macau, he ruled the realm. Just for 1 year, a fleeting cheer, barely enough to drink a beer. 99 years have flown, for 1 year he made Macau his own. Governor Maia Magalhães, your name lives on in a square. Largo Maia Magalhães, echoes of your legacy linger there. If only Governor Maia Magalhães knew this, only a governor in 1925, 1926. If he had only guessed that 99 years later there would be a song about him and this square named after him.
Okay, so we're in, there's Motai right there. So we're in this little plaza in Taipa Village. We got the moon is out, and then you can also see this little plaza. We're gonna walk around in it a little bit and kind of show you the parameters of it. And then way over there, you can also see the Galaxy Casino in pink. Way over there, casinos are right there. There's also it's up above the rooftops. There's Galaxy, and you got some rooftop places too, like this coffee shop there. But we're gonna highlight this whole space, so stay tuned. Show you what it looks like at nighttime. Taipa, Macau. So first thing I'm gonna do is put this up on the map so you can see exactly where it is. And I'll give you a little bit of a background. So this is like many places in Macau named after a previous governor. So there was a lot of streets in Macau with governor names, and this one is no exception. This is a plaza, a square, a Largo. And so I'm gonna have fun. I had fun with this song, so you can already heard it. And it's basically like 99 years ago, he was the governor, and now he has a square named after him. So yeah, that was actually 1925, and now it's 2024, so 99 years ago. So later the song will be a little bit outdated. If you decide you really like the song and you want to put it in some music, just change the 99 to 101. I don't know if it would sound as good. But anyway, so it's kind of a fun 99 years ago. So that's the background of that. I'll put the lyrics behind me so you can see that as well. And let's just do the walk and talk, where I'll walk around the camera and you can hear what I have to say about this little area in this cool spot in Taipa Village, Macau. So our name is called Largo Maia de. So that's the street right there. And we're gonna just highlight some of the stuff that's nearby. So I think what I'm gonna do is just kind of walk around the periphery part, and we'll just see all the stuff that's in here, including this little Matcha Macau
Plaza's going to be down that way, but we're just going to try to capture some of the parameter about everything. They beautify these little electrical boxes in Macau. So we are in this little alley of type of village. Check out. Oh, they have this sign. This is just for this. Look like a street sign, right? But it's actually the business sign, which is kind of cool. So we're gonna hello. So we're gonna walk and check everything out. So here's a little coffee shop in here. This little lane is Travessa das Brusas. Got a nice coffee shop. Let's see what else we got here. Espresso bar. So we got a nice spaces. So I'm gonna try to come around the corner. There we go. It's nice. And there's actually a kitchen right here. So the other side of this is called Kunigai, which is kind of like a food street. So that one is probably the kitchen that goes that faces that side. That looks nice. Okay. So I think we're gonna also walk towards the food street and just kind of capture everything around here first. So we're gonna come back towards this matcha place, and then I'm gonna take a turn to the right. We're gonna follow everything down. So there we go. So that's the whole plaza right there. Now we're gonna kind of stroll down here a little bit. Got a hair salon place. So we started over here near this Motai. So it's kind of a little bit of a liquor shop. No, I think it's Chinese medicine, sorry. Chinese medicine shop. I was thrown off because it also says Motai, which is right there. So that's from Guiyang. It's like one of the most popular, strongest drinks. Okay. So we're gonna walk from this little plaza into this food street over there. So that's the plaza. There's the moon up above. Lots of people walking around. Chairs, you can sit at. Often I see people in this area kind of sitting around because there's a lot of kitchens. More kitchens that way too. Oh, they got a sign. This is kind of a new sign. But this sign, it's kind of a glare to it, but it says Rua de Cunha, Taipa, which is this street right here. So this is a very busy street. So yeah, this is probably one of the main food streets called Kunigai. Rua de Cunha. So yeah, it's tons of restaurants. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do is I think we might as well just go through this slightly. because this that plaza is just one block over. Oh, the restaurant's open now. It's a famous Portuguese restaurant right there called Santos. It was closed. I went by about an hour ago and it was closed. We're gonna go down this little lane right here. Okay. So that was our cool little plaza at nighttime. I hope that turns out looking pretty good. Sometimes the camera is a little shaky at nighttime, so. And there it is. So this is this little plaza. It's pretty cool. We're gonna end it right on that little mocha sign. No, we're gonna end it on the street sign.
99 years ago, lies a square name for a governor, Governor Mighty Magalhães. Could you ever have foreseen 99 years ago you would have this here square? In 1925 you took the helm, Governor of Macau, he ruled the realm.